by the rivers of Babylon. There I and I sit up and wept when we remembered Zion. For it was there them and those who took us captive required of us a song, saying, sing us one of the songs of Zion. And we said, how can I and I sing just sacred songs in a very, very, very strange land? And so against injustice, against all prejudice, against false hope and false promise, resist, revolt, resist, revolt, resist, revolt, rebel. Time alone shall tell. Time alone shall tell. This is Thundah, and you're in tune to Yardpreetv. Blessings. Resist, revolt, resist.